Hotel Club Francis. 5 stars. Stay in the heart of Buenos Aires. Located in the heart of the Recoleta area and featuring free Wi-Fi, Hotel Club Francis is a restored French-style historic building, decorated with refined antique artworks. Great staff. Kind and warm. Great location. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Small personal boutique hotel with very nice and helpful staff. Nice old building. Good location in safe quiet area. Service is very friendly. Location perfect. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.